Welcome to the Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, guys, I'll go over that funny article first. We happen to have parts of Europe going back into lockdown. This happened to happen when we're going through an election, guys. Just know everything is planned out. And then also we had Europe come out and say that they're going to be doing more stimulus in December. Then of course we're going to be doing stimulus. So it's going to be a whole lot of liquidity in the market, guys. So this means that the stock market is not going down. It's going to be going right back up. Now, we had the Dow. I don't know if anybody, watches the stock market all day, but we had the Dow at the closing race. You saw the algorithms buying everything before the close. So what does that let us know? That's right. We're going to be headed back up, guys. Yes, we may have some turbulence over the next Monday and Tuesday, the 2 days, but then we're going right back up. Remember, we're going to have a Fed meeting. Please go to my crypto channel so therefore you can go back and watch those videos so you can see how everything is orchestrated. But definitely the Fed meets the 4th and the 5th, and the market is always steady or up when the Fed is meeting, guys. Don't forget about that. Now, when it comes to the stimulus, guys, we have McConnell, Cocaine Mitch, states that no stimulus until 2021. Do we believe that? No, because we know the corporations want what? They want to take your money. So yes, we will have a stimulus package before Thanksgiving in the people's hands. And who came to the rescue? That's right, your good old government, guys. They cause the problem, wait for the reaction, and run in with the solution. So therefore, they look like the good guys. That's how it goes, guys. Now, getting over into a little news and also the stocks, guys. We have DoorDash partners with Sam's Club for prescription deliveries. And guys, that is a great business. If you're looking at starting a business, that would be a great business to start. Now, of course, getting over into stocks, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But we do have cruise ships. I told you the travel is going to be coming back. But the CDC lifted no sail order. So, of course, the cruise ships stocks rise a little. We'll start seeing the cruise ships and the airline stocks rise, guys. It's like I said, the only thing we're doing is waiting for that stimulus bill because that's money for these corporations to make sure the fake C word gets taken care of, and especially the schools. Those schools are about to open back up. But getting over into the stocks, guys, where basically you can make some money, and then after I go over these ones, I'm going to go over the stocks where you can actually triple your money with this downturn, guys. So these are the stocks that you can make money immediately. Few dollars. This depends on how much you actually put in. Of course, we have Facebook that took a hit. Earnings was wonderful. Their users are down, but guys, we don't care. We care about how much money they made. It was great. We know more people are advertising, and of course, these big corporations. We have Apple. Stock went down, but all this cash sitting on the sidelines, guys, their stock is definitely going right back up. Twitter's earnings was great. Stock went down. We know they're going right back up. NIO, most of the big banks have their target at $40. So, of course, they have a little room to move. Intel, that's my stock. Dividends also. We also have Walmart took a little hit. Their stock will go right back up. UPS and FedEx, their stock is going to continue to rise because guess what? They're only games in town right now. Now, the stocks that actually can triple your money over the next 2 months, guys, are your weed stocks and gaming stocks. With the weed stocks, guys, this stimulus bill is very, very important. But we also know we have the new gaming systems coming out this year. Well, basically, your money can definitely triple. Now, this has an asterisk on it. This one here is Nikola. Yes, I know it took a big hit. But guys, it is a new world order stock. We know it's a shell business. but it's still a New World Order stock and it's going to go right back up. Now, will it go up and dump again? I have no idea, but GM is invested. So that means what? You should be invested, not your financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but definitely do your own research. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget to check out the Crypto Teacher channel, so therefore you can get up to date with cryptos and blockchain. Also, guys, like and subscribe and spread this channel everywhere. You have a wonderful day.
Peter, happy Friday. So is this really the end of this valuations don't matter thing, or is it maybe just valuations matter a little?
I think valuations are beginning to matter. Good afternoon, John. I thought that the Fastly earnings on October 14th after the close that led to an almost 30% decline the following day was potentially a canary in the coal mine in terms of the markets paying attention to valuations, and that paying 45 times sales maybe is a little extreme, particularly when a company which had a good quarter but had sort of mediocre guidance. And I'm not questioning the fundamentals of any of these businesses. It's really a question of what do you want to pay for that business? Because we have to keep in mind that a earnings multiple or a price to sales multiple that goes from 20 to 30 is a 50% increase in the stock price without any change in the fundamentals.
Yeah.
And vice versa. Go to 30 to 20, the stock's down 33% without any change in the fundamentals.
So then how much do valuations matter? Because at the beginning of the year, pre-pandemic and all that, Apple was at like 60, and now even despite its drop, it's still over 100 now. So if valuations matter, then we were way off at the beginning of the year then.
Well, yes, relative to where we are today, but you look at Apple's history was what, a mid-teens multiple? I mean, obviously that was because it was viewed as a hardware stock. Now it's more of a hardware software, services stock. But for a company whose earnings were up 5% year over year and the PE multiple doubled, well, that just shows you that a lot of the gains in these tech stocks are more so multiple expansion rather than underlying earnings or revenue growth. Revenue growth still beats some of the other names, but PE multiples matter a lot.
The CDC lifting its no-sale order on the cruise line, saying that companies can restart once they prove their COVID-19 protocols. Now, some of the larger cruise lines like Royal Caribbean and Norwegian Cruise Line have submitted recommendations to the CDC, 74 in specific, which outline a number of protocols from social distancing on board, operating at a lower capacity to allow customers on board to social distance, having a medical staff on their cruise line. But certainly a critical time that this announcement is coming from the CDC. The cruise lines had been basically halted at their U.S. ports for over 7 months. So potentially some good news here, but also some concerns as well with COVID cases continuing to rise in key states like Florida right now. Back to you.